Hi, I'm Meg from Accessibility with Meg. Welcome to memorizing 13 WCAG guidelines. Let's begin. 1.1 Text alternatives. 1.2 Time-based media. 1.3 Adaptable. 1.4 Distinguishable. 2.1 Keyboard accessible. 2.2 Enough time. 2.3 Seizures and physical reactions. 2.4 Navigable. 2.5 Input modalities. 3.1 Readable. 3.2 Predictable. 3.3 Input assistance. Robust 4.1 Compatible. 1.1 Text alternatives. 1.2 Time-based media. 1.3 Adaptable. 1.4 Distinguishable. 2.1 Keyboard accessible. 2.2 Enough time. 2.3 Seizures and physical reactions. 2.4 Navigable. 2.5 Input modalities. 3.1 Readable. 3.2 Predictable. 3.3 Input assistance. 4.1 Compatible. You've got this. WCAG can be learned and remembered. Just about learning. It's about creating a more accessible world together. If you find these videos helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better web accessibility.